Hey everyone, enjoy the show.
Hey folks, how you doing today? So here at the Mantiques Network, we like to build some really cool stuff. If you've been watching our website, you'll know that we had one other bar that is still currently for sale up. But what we wanted to do is create and put together a turnkey, beautiful, turn-of-the-century Western-style saloon whiskey bar, and that is exactly what we achieved. Last year sometime I went down to Palm Springs, California and bought like a 24-foot full of antiques, and one of the pieces I was able to get was this back bar here. So this is a quarter sawn oak back bar from the turn of the century. When I got it, I was very fortunate. It had already been completely refinished and it was in beautiful shape. What's really cool about it is the bar actually had 1 1/4 inch original marble top on it. So I had this and there was nothing on the bar. So I thought, well, I like to create turnkey situations here so that when you buy this bar, you set it up, you're ready to go. So after getting the back bar, I had my expert cabinet maker make me a matching front bar for it. This is about right at 10 feet long, okay? So after I built the front bar, we stained it matching, and then we did a nice lacquer satin clear coat over it. Then we needed some stools, so I bought 6 very nice matching, the color came out super nice, matching swivel stools with padded leather seats. Then we got to the accoutrements because we wanted this to be really super cool. One of the things I did is, why don't you come up here, Jeff, and let me just show them some of the things we got here. It didn't have lights on it, so I bought, as you can see, super cool leaded glass hanging lights. I put the old style vintage correct light bulbs in them, as well as this is a almost mint reverse glass Rupert's beer sign, which is cobalt blue mirrored from the back. I like to hang a little sign here over the register. So we got our beautiful leaded glass lights, we got our antique Rupert's beer sign, reverse glass. I married it with 6 vintage shot glasses, which are sterling silver, gold lined. Super nice shot glasses. Then I went into my back bar bottles. I have a lot of back bar bottles. I buy them specifically for bars. I picked out a super nice set of turn of the century whiskey back bar bottles. They've all been cleaned out real nice. I custom did all the corks so they all fit correctly and nice. All of these ones with white are baked enamel. So somebody would sit almost like with kind of a gun which you would put on puffy paint, and they actually hand put on the baked enamel. Then they would put it in an oven and dry it, and it's almost like porcelain. All original whiskey bottles. As you see, I went 1, 2, 3 baked enamel. Then I went for 1 beautiful gold one, which you will see in the stills. I started with gold again, baked enamel, baked enamel, baked enamel. Then I went on and I was able to find 2 beautiful reverse glass Schweppes tonic mix. These are reverse glass, new old stock. I thought they would look fabulous on the bar for the mixers. Down here in the bottom, it has double doors here and here, and it has nice shelving. Here's a small shelf, here's a big shelf, and here's another large shelf so that you can do tons of storage. You can put extra cocktails, whatever. Now behind this bar, which I'm not going to show you right now because Jeff's got the camera, but I made this a very workable front bar. There's a place, when you'll be able to see this in the stills, a place right here for a nice refrigerator, so you can have a refrigerator. There's a really nice shelf here that's going to be your working bar. You're going to put a nice towel down, put all your cocktails, your ice bucket, etc. The other thing is that I seen a photograph some time ago of a bar in Virginia City that was a stock bar, and somebody had went into that bar and reconfigured it and put a cigar showcase in the top of the bar, because at the turn of the century everybody smoked cigars. So as opposed to having them go next door, they put a cigar showcase, which I took the concept and included in this one. Come on over here, Jeff, let's show them in here. So I made a cigar showcase, which you see here. We lit it up very nicely. This is the drawer. How cool is that, right? Put a nice piece of glass in it, tempered glass. It is super cool. Now, you don't have to put cigars in it. You can put anything you like in it, but what cigar boxes you see in here today comes with the bar. This is a turn of the century Bernhoff. This is a change tray. Now you want to know, what would they use a change tray for? This was very common back in the old days for general stores, everything. So when you would buy something here, they would make change and then they would put it in here for you to pick it up. So let's say they put it here, you're going, oh, you know what, I'll take one of those cigars, give me one of those too. So it was a way to get more money out of people. This is a nice turn of the century cigar advertising glass change tray. As well as I've included a nice little antique, it's dated like 1897. This is a cigar nipper. It had 3 different holes here for 3 different size cuts of the end of the cigar, as well as it had a match out, strike it and light your cigar. This is a glass cigar lighter as well. You need to just put some fluid in it and then this would burn and you would light your cigar off of this. One of the things I also want to go over is I'm including one of our kind of famous, we sell a lot of these. This is an 1890s cast iron Stats coin changer. Everything has been glass beaded on the back. It's just an app. I sell a ton of these things. It's a beautiful piece and it's a change maker. We actually add the top to it, and this is a banknote cigar advertising, and then we add the light. So this was just a quick changer, right? Super cool. Everything works correctly up to $1. Super, super, super nice. I'll put this in the change tray. The other thing that I did was I put a dimmer on everything that lights up here. The cigar bar, the coin changer, and all the lights up here. Here's our dimmer, so you can take it down to however you would like it to completely off, or bring it way up bright, just like that. So we put a dimmer on the whole bar. Absolutely super cool. This bar will hold 6 people sitting. So one chair will go on that end, this chair will go on this end, and then you have 4 down the center. That's 6. You could get a good 10, easy 10 people plus yourself behind the bar. These are, if you want to have some fun, you buy this, you have people over, and I'm telling you, this makes the party. You put on some music, people will hover around here, you can play some cards on it, whatever you want to do. It's a stunning piece of equipment. I would love to have this bar, although I have another one, but I mean, there was no other place I could put money in this bar. I did everything I possibly could. It come out beautiful. Once again, we'll show you some stills of the back, which has a nice working space, and somebody is going to have a beautiful bar and enjoy the heck out of it for many years to come. I want to thank you all for watching our videos. We get people chime in to us every day about our videos from all over the world, and especially the United States. Thank you folks for watching. We're trying to answer all your questions in real time, which we basically do, and those of you who have tried to talk to us know that. Anyway, thanks for watching. Somebody's got a beautiful bar.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.